Today lecture I'm going to discuss about equals versus compare method in Java programming. So here you can see this here a string s1 object initialized with the hello, a string s2 object initialized with the hello. Now s1 equals s2. So if here this is the same values, then that return same else different. And now here string str1 hello, and this is now hello, so both has the same value. So same value, then compare. If you using str1 compare to, so when that equals to 0, then that return same as different. Now here you can see s1 when I write, if I put dot operator, so now right here equals. So this you can see this here that to return true. So this return true false value. So if that's same, then that return true or else false. And here you can see compare the string as specified, the result true if only if the argument is not null. Okay, and this all definition about the equals method. So here equals method that do the operation on the true or false values. But if you are using compares method, so let's write here str1 and not this place, so let's write str1 dot operator, now compare. So this is the big difference of big definition of compare to. Now here you can see the value argument string is equal, so a value less than 0 lexical string argument, so it returns 0, 1 and -1. So when the string is the same, then that return 0, else that return -1 and here 1. So let's run this code. So now you can see here this returning first one is the same and here same. So the real thing is here this I'm going to show you. Now if you debug the code, then control comes to main method. Here this is now s1. So s1, and when JVM execute, it creates some reference ID. So let's say 99CAF. So this is the combination of hexadecimal. So it has initialized with the hello. So value is now hello. Now when that JVM execute, then that create the another reference ID. So here s1 and s2 is the same. Okay, so same, and it won't create the another reference ID because both has the same value. So this reference ID, and it also has the value hello. So equals method that do the comparison on the value. So here you can see hello, and both are here hello. So s1 and s2 that is equal to hello. So both are the same, so that this part execute. Okay, so here this return or true value. So both is the same, so that here this return true. Now here this place str1. So str1, so here the same thing, it has some reference ID, let's say 99CFA, and now it is initialized with the hello. So str2 has the same value, so it will work on the same reference ID initialized with the hello. Now str1 as compared to str2, so here str1, so this has the same value, it also do the comparison on the value. So if that here same value, so that this now return 0, so it equal to 0. Okay, so here 0, this is now a string comparison, that is both are equal to 0, so that if that match equal to 0, so that here this return same. And suppose if you write here, this is now hello, so this place that write hello 1, and this is now str1, and str2 that you return hello. Okay, so this is now hello and hello 1. So now this is if compare, so that this will return the 1. So if you try to do the comparing, so both has this terms, this case, this return str1 and str2 has the different uh, object reference, and it has the different value, so that this case that return 1. So 1 return, then else part that execute, and this different. So why this return hello 1? Because hello 1 is greater value, so it has the higher value than hello, so that this return of 1. Okay, this return 1 because hello has included with the one extra character 1, so that this return 1. And suppose if you write here 1 2, so this is hello str2 that I included 1 2. So now the value of hello 2, that is sorry, str2 value is now higher, so that this is now this times this return -1. So when that this value is the higher, so that this return -1. This case also display -1 is there, so this display different. So this is the important things about. So as this equals method that do the comparison on the true false value, but here compared to this do the comparison on -1 0 and 1. So if str1 has the higher value, then that return 1. If the both are the same, then that return 0. And if str1 has the less value, then that return -1. Okay, so this is the difference between this equal and compare method in Java programming. So I hope guys this video is the helpful for you. So now in this video it's over. So thanks for watching. See next video. Thank you.